Hi beshies, welcome back to our channel. This is teamhakanssonofficial and welcome to another video. So as you can see here, we have a big box here. And I'm going to open this one. I cannot carry this one. It's so heavy, so I need to open here. I don't know what's inside, so it's my husband who bought this online. I'm so excited what's inside, so let's dive into it. But before that, if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button down below and ring that notification bell for more videos. So let's go! Oi! Oh no! I think this is a microwave. Because our microwave was broken, so we needed a new one, and since we are going to renovate our kitchen, we will need this kind of microwave. We can see what's inside and how good packaging, beshies, because I have that. This is the wood, good packaging, and of course styrofoam. We will see, beshies. Look inside, it's a microwave. This is built-in microwave. Sadly, beshies, it's heavy, so I can't take it out from the box, but it looks like that. I cannot show you the whole thing here. I will show you later how it looks like. Disclaimer, Siemens is not sponsored. Beshies, I did it by myself. I took it out from the box. So that's our new microwave, built-in microwave, and I will show you the old one, which is broken now, and compare it. There you go, beshies, the comparison of the normal. This is the normal microwave, and this is our new microwave, which is the built-in microwave. So there you go. So as you can see, the difference between two kinds of microwave, which is the built-in and the normal microwave. I don't know what happened with this one, but it was broken. So we are going to throw that. I doubt it will fix. So this is our new one. I don't know how to open. I think you need to take out the tape here all around the microwave, but I need to wait for my husband because he is waiting for me to do a unboxing vlog for that. So at least it's done. See you later, beshies. So yeah, direkta. Inte ta den där uppe. Akta din rumpa.
Jag får kolla för